Registration on Centralized Punjab Government Admission Portal. It consists of 3 steps: create student login, fill online form and deposit fee. The first step, create student login. Go to admission.punjab.gov.in. Click on registration UG or new registration. Fill full name, choose board, enter roll number and passing year for the 12th board exams. Click on get data, press OK. Fill stream, fill mother's name, father's name, date of birth, gender, fill in the mobile number, enter your email ID, choose reservation category, choose caste category, choose caste, fill in the Aadhaar number and click on the checkbox. Fill ABC ID or voter number if present. Click on nationality. If you are a resident of Punjab and have you passed Punjabi at matric level, click on register and note your username and password. The second step, go back to the same site. Click on student login. Select course type UG or PG. Fill username and password and click on sign in. A form with 6 sections will open. Fill mother's occupation, father's occupation, guardian's details if any, select gender, marital status, enter annual family income, gap year if any, religion, ABC ID. Fill bank account details of students or parents with bank name, account number, IFSC code and bank branch. Select permanent region, select state, district and fill the permanent address and the permanent PIN code. Also fill the correspondence address. Fill other details like if you need hostel, need parking, are you already registered, are you NRI, only girl child, resident of border area, Kashmiri migrant or cancer age or thalassemia patient and save profile. In section 2, fill your academic details with your school and college name, your result status, total marks and marks obtained. Fill yes or no for CM scholarship. Click on the checkbox and start adding subject details of your 10+2 DMC with the subject name, maximum number and obtained marks. Each time click add subject. Fill 5 subjects and save detail. In the third section, fill weightage for NCC or NSS. Select your reservation category, caste and click on save profile. In the fourth section, upload documents. The document size should be below 500 KB. Upload your 10th DMC plus 2 DMC, your residence or domicile certificate, your photograph and your signature. Click on save detail. In the fifth section, fill on course preference. Select district Patiala, college Multani Modi College Patiala, course, then your majors, your AEC subjects, MDC, SEC, BVoc, your compulsory subject and minor subject and click on add-on list and save detail. Step 3. Check the whole of the form, read the declaration, click on the checkbox and process your payment through UPI, cards, net banking or wallet. The charges are ₹200. Receipt will be generated. Take a screenshot of the receipt. Return to declaration page. Your application status will show submitted. Print your form or save as PDF and log out. Thank you.